In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up LC email to improve email deliverability in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your domain authenticated with SPF, DKIM, and a tracking domain, so your emails have a much better chance of reaching the inbox. Start by heading to the official GoHighLevel website and signing into your account dashboard. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open Settings. Inside Settings, click Email Services. This is where we'll connect your provider. Choose Add Service, then select LC Email. Next, add your sending domain. Click Add Domain and type in your root domain, like yourdomain.com, without HTTP or www. GoHighLevel will now generate the DNS records you need to prove you control the domain and to authenticate your email. You'll see SPF, DKIM, and a tracking domain, CNAME. Copy each record exactly as shown. Pay attention to the host name and the value fields, as small typos can break authentication. Now, log into your domain provider such as GoDaddy or Hostinger and open your DNS settings. You're going to paste the SPF record as a TXT entry, add the DKIM records provided, and create the name for tracking exactly as listed. If you already have an SPF record, make sure you don't create duplicates. Merge the required include into the existing record instead of having two separate SPF records. Save your DNS changes, return to GoHighLevel, and click Verify. Verification may be immediate, but DNS updates can take time to propagate. If it doesn't verify right away, wait a bit and try again later. Once verified, create or add the sending email address that lives on this domain. This should be a professional mailbox at your verified domain, not a free webmail address. After adding it, set it as your default sender so new campaigns and automations use it automatically. With everything in place, send a test email. Check that it arrives and look for any warning banners or spam placement. If you want to be thorough, view the message headers to confirm SPF and DKIM are passing. This is a strong signal to inbox providers. Also, once your tracking name is active, link tracking and open tracking will route through your branded domain, which further improves credibility. That's it. You've connected LC email, authenticated your domain, and set your default sender. Thanks for watching.